Hey my loves, welcome back. So today we are back again with another Wiggins store, and today I am basically showing you guys how I customize, install and style my units. So yeah, I know you guys have been wanting to see how I customize my lace frontal units, so I've got the video for you. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look and also customize, style and everything, make sure to keep on watching and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and if you learned a few tips or tricks, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's head into this video. And today we are working with Wiggins hair, so that's the packaging, and these are the bits and bobs that comes in the packaging. And yeah, so that's your satin bag that comes also in the packaging, and this is the unit I'll be working with. So I did go ahead to bleach it off camera, and this is the construction. You've got 2 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom, and then they went ahead to add an elastic band and also your regular elastic straps as well. So now time for customizing this hairline. As you can see in a second, yeah, as you guys can see, it is pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to go in and pluck a lot. You can actually install the unit just as you can see, just as you see it. However, I am a bit extra and I do love my units to basically mimic my hairline as much as possible. So I go ahead to basically part away the hair that's already pre-plucked, and I go in with my hot comb to just make sure all the hairs are basically laid towards the back, if it makes sense. And I go in with my tweezers and basically just pluck away. As you can see, I don't basically pluck in one section for a long period of time, because if you do stay in one spot for a long period of time, you will basically end up getting a bald spot, and you do not want that. So yeah, you just move around and basically just eyeball where you feel like you need to pluck a bit more and just create some spaces in between. Basically, that's the easiest way I can explain what I'm doing. But yeah, I literally just go back and forth, and I always pluck in sections. And basically I start with the sides and then go ahead with the crown and then the other side. So I basically do 3 sections. Same way I install my wigs, that's the same way I basically pluck. So I always start off with by plucking a bit more at the back, more towards the back, before basically adding some more hair from the bunch that I've already that was already tweezed and plucked, and then just go in and see if I need to pluck a bit more, and then add a bit more from that section that I basically parted away. And yeah, so just basically trying to create a gradient effect, basically, because my hairline is not as thick as you can see. So I'm just basically gonna go in and make sure it looks as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm going in once more with my hot comb, and then just making sure everything is looking good. So this is too blocky for me, so I'm gonna go back in and just tweeze a little bit more and making sure it is basically to my liking. I hope this makes sense. It's quite hard for me to explain how I'm doing it, and because I'm slightly ill as well, so my head is literally all over the place. But yeah, I hope you guys understand and you can hear me properly, because yeah, this cold is beating me up. But yeah, as you can see, we've got that gradient effect going on, which we absolutely love. So I'm gonna go ahead to do the middle section, which is the crown. The crown is usually the fullest and the thickest in all of the wigs anyways that I have encountered. So I'm gonna go ahead to part away the hair that I feel like are basically pre-plucked, so just so I don't end up plucking too much. So I start from the back, just as I did on the side. Start from the back and then literally just tweeze away It's like I'm basically plucking a spot and skipping a spot basically. And yeah, so after I feel like it is plucked enough to my liking, so I like the mid section to be a bit more fuller. I don't really go into pluck too much as I do on the sides. So once I feel like it is plucked enough, I go in and add a bit more from the section that I parted, basically what I'm doing now, and then have a look to see if I need to pluck a bit more. And yeah, so I use my hot comb to help me basically see what the hairline is looking like. And yeah, so I basically do that for all over the hairline. So I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys watch. I know my voice can be a bit annoying. I'm definitely sure it's 10 times annoying now because I am ill, but yeah, this is how it is looking. Look at how gradient and amazing, look at how amazing that looks. Like, the thing about plucking, you just have to take your time and be patient, that's all. Till this day, I also make mistakes. I'm not a hairstylist. I learned by watching YouTube videos as well, so but you guys can also learn. So yeah, I'm gonna stay quiet now. Yeah. See you in a bit.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
Right, so that's all the plucking I'm gonna do to this unit. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to just press the hair, just make sure everything is looking good. Just prepping it before installing it, and this is literally a closer look at how the hairline is looking. This looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, so this is their HD lace. I'm just showing you how it looks against my skin. And I did go ahead to add my lace tint spray, and this is from Kiki Hair Care. Absolutely love this. And this is the way I apply my lace tint. I basically spray some onto a cap and then use an eyeshadow brush, like a fluffy one. Just dip the brush into the cap and then just, yeah, spread the product all around the lace, because I find that whenever I spray the product onto the lace, I end up using too much, and it just scares me, so I just do that method. So now let's get into the install portion of this video. As you can see, the hairline is looking absolutely amazing. So I start off by cutting off the air tabs by using my cuticle scissors. I found that this scissors gives me more control, and I've literally, I don't use anything else to actually cut out my ear tabs. So this unit actually fits really good. I feel like it fits, it was a tiny bit too small around the hairline, because I had to kind of like finesse it a little bit, but it was fine. As you can see, I'm literally just pulling it to make sure it's looking good, and that's how basically you want your ear tabs to look like. You have to basically have that C-shaped around the ears, just so it doesn't irritate your ears. So I go in to section the lace in 3 and then go in with my Easy skin protector from Kiki Haircare. I always use this product before installing my units just to protect my skin. Then I go in with the Eben gel. Is it the lace gel? I think that's what it's called. Then I go in with my lace melt spray on top of that, and yeah, so I've used these products before and absolutely love them. So I'm just gonna stay quiet now so I can breathe a little bit because I've got this cold and it's killing me. But yeah, just enjoy this bit and I'll be back.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Okay, y'all know I had to come back for this. Like, look at that melt, guys. Look at how well this is looking. The hairline is absolutely amazing. It is not too plucked. It's just like the perfect amount, because sometimes if you pluck your wigs too much, yeah, it basically, your hair basically sheds. The wigs tends to shed over time, so especially the frontal portion. So if you pluck too much, you'll basically end up with bald spots, and yeah, you don't really want that, so don't pluck too much. So now I'm gonna go in to add some baby hairs, and I'm using my flat iron, my pencil straighteners, and I'm just going in with my baby hairbrush and literally just swooping away. Nothing fancy really, and I decided to go for something really soft and simple. So yeah. once the baby hairs are done, I decided to go in with my cream mousse. Absolutely love this mousse. It is not hard whatsoever. It gives you like the softest curls ever. Literally, like, it defines it, but it doesn't leave it crispy and crunchy, if it makes sense. Your curls are still like flowy and movie. Absolutely love this product. So I go in with a generous amount onto the wig, and guys, I absolutely love how this turned out. So this unit is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal unit. This is a loose deep wave texture. It is 24 inches and also 250% density, I believe. If not, just make sure to check down below in the description box. I'll make sure to leave all the specs and details down there. Absolutely loved how this turned out. As you can see, this lace melted amazingly. Literally, like, the curls amazing. 10 out of 10, chef's kiss. Definitely love this unit. You guys should check out a Wiggins Hair. Like I said, I'll make sure to leave all the specs and details down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out, and thanks to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. So if you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. And that is all from me today, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.